Most people think varnish is a yes or a no. But the best thing to determine what's the best for you is to print out a pattern like this one here, which shows you the different density levels. On the SureColor V7000, we can easily set up a print file like this one here to show the different density levels, which you can then review and make the right decision for you and your customer. In this video, we will show you how to set up print files with varnish for the SureColor V7000 using Adobe Illustrator. Go to File, Open, and open your print file. Next, go to the Layers window and create a new layer and name it Varnish. Now go to the Swatches window and click on any color. Press the New Swatches button at the bottom of the window. Name the new swatch Varnish. Exact spelling is critical. It must be a capital V followed by lowercase letters. For color type, select Spot Color. For color mode, select CMYK. And then give it any CMYK values. I like to use a light cyan. And click OK. Now you've created a varnish spot color in your swatches window. In my print file, I created triangles that I want to be printed with varnish. I will place the triangles in the varnish layer, and while they are selected, I will click on the varnish color in the swatches window to color them in varnish. Next, go to the Attributes window and select Overprint Fill for everything that is varnish color. I'm going to show you how various varnish density levels create different effects when printed. The density can be changed in the Color window. When you're done, go ahead and save your print file. Click on File, Save As, and select Adobe PDF under Save As type. Next, open Epson Edge Print RIP software and click on the Add button to open your print file. Click in the navigation on the right on Basic Settings. Select your media, print quality, and input resolution. I like to rotate my print files before printing. To do so, click on Layout and then select 180 degrees under Rotate Orientation. And now click on the Print button on the top navigation bar to rip the print file and send it to the printer. Next, place your substrate on the printer. You can use the registration pins to easily align it on the flatbed. And turn on the vacuum suction by pressing the vacuum button on the front of the printer. Go to the computer and open the UV Controller app, and your print file should be in the print task list on the left side of the window. Before we start printing, we need to measure the height of the substrate. Click on the Settings button on the top right. Type in the X and Y position of where you want the height to be measured and click on Execute. Once the automatic height measurement has been completed, you will see a confirmation pop-up on the computer screen. Click on the OK button. And click one more time on the OK button to save and close the window. Now we just need to set the X and Y margins, which define at what position the printer will start printing. And lastly, click on the Print button on the left side of the top navigation to start the print.